The kingdom of Armello is in peril. Its king has fallen into madness. Only you can liberate the realm. Will you answer the call? The hit video game comes to the tabletop in a brand new board game adaptation. Select your hero from one of the 4 great clans and venture out into the dangerous and magical world of Armello. You'll complete quests to earn rewards and increase your prowess. Fill your pockets with gold by controlling settlements. Explore dungeons while hunting for treasure. And recruit followers to aid you in your travels, while gaining prestige throughout the land. Avoid the Mad King's guards, vanquish monstrous banes, and battle your rival heroes using an explosive dice-based combat system. Each hero has their own unique ability, starting deck, and experience cards. Upgrade your deck with new equipment, powers, and hard-earned rewards to customize your playstyle and adapt to threats. When you're strong enough, win glory for your clan and challenge the king himself to a duel to the death.
How dare you challenge me? Armello is mine, and I am its king.